Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth's atmosphere just vanished? Let's say in the next 5 minutes, it's completely gone. What would our world become? Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. In the first 10 seconds, the world goes silent. It's utterly, deafeningly silent. Sound needs a medium to travel, and with no air, every scream, every explosion, every sound you can imagine would simply cease to exist. At the same time, the pressure drops to a near-perfect vacuum. If you're outside, the air in your lungs would be ripped out instantly. Your body wouldn't explode, but the fluids in your soft tissues would start to vaporize, causing your skin to swell up painfully. As we move from 10 seconds to the 5-minute mark, things get even more catastrophic. With unfiltered solar radiation, UV X-rays, and gamma rays would bombard the surface, instantly scorching any exposed life and shredding our DNA. But that's not all. The sky would light up with a constant, deadly fireworks show. Billions of micrometeoroids, which normally burn up harmlessly in our atmosphere, would now rain down, peppering the entire planet. Any fires burning would be snuffed out due to the lack of oxygen, but the sheer energy from impacts would create new, fiery hotspots. There'd be no wind, no clouds, no weather of any kind. Just a silent, irradiated world under a black sky, with the sun hanging like a terrifyingly bright spotlight. What about our oceans? The initial boiling on the surface would send massive plumes of vapor into space. But as this evaporation rapidly cools the remaining water, a bizarre process begins. So you do have this strange state where some water is boiling away into the vacuum of space while the rest is freezing solid. It's a chaotic, contradictory end for our planet's lifeblood. Now, let's look at the temperature. Without an atmosphere to trap heat and distribute it, Earth's climate control system is gone. The side of the planet facing the sun would bake. With surface temperatures soaring to hundreds of degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. This extreme temperature swing would cause the ground itself to crack and shatter, triggering massive, silent earthquakes across the globe as the crust expands and contracts violently. After just 5 minutes, Earth would be unrecognizable. All surface life would be gonoplants, no animals, no people. Perhaps some extremophile bacteria deep underground or at the bottom of the now frozen oceans might survive. Shielded from the radiation and vacuum, it. It would become a barren, silent rock, much like the Moon or Mercury, its surface scarred by craters, covered in a mix of dust and ice, forever orbiting the Sun as a graveyard of what once was. It's a stark reminder of how fragile our atmospheric blanket truly is, and how lucky we are to have it.